Different colleges and universities are going to take a different approach when it comes to reviewing students' applications for admissions. Just like every college and university, it's the right fit for the right school. There is capable versus competitive admission. And capable versus competitive means that are you a capable student and are you, applying into a really competitive applicant pool? Many different colleges and universities have very, competitive application pool because they have so many students applying to them. That's something that you're going to want to certainly consider. And every admission website is going to have their basic admission requirements that are going to be shared on their website for you to be a capable applicant. To make yourself competitive, they will also probably share those types of insight with you as well. There's holistic approach to the application process, which many colleges and universities take. Holistic approach means that there's not one piece of the application that is going to be more impactful than any other. They all are weighted pretty evenly, and we're looking at you as the student, the applicant, in a holistic way. So, what have you done in the classroom, but also what have you done outside of the classroom as far as extracurricular or co-curricular or maybe just family responsibilities, those types of things, we consider that as well. Certainly curricular rigor. So curriculum rigor is really important when it comes to admission review. Many colleges and universities are looking for a minimum standard, so at least 4 years of college preparatory work or, 2 years of a world language, X amount of science credit, X amount of art credit, those types of things. Those are things that can set you apart. If you decide to, take on more academic rigor by taking honors level courses, AP level courses, or maybe early college or dual enrollment credits, those are things that can make you look a little bit more competitive when it comes to the application review as well. And then, of course, admission folks are looking at academic trends. I always tell students and families that we're looking, generally speaking, for upward trends. So students, maybe if you, had a challenging first year of high school, but have consistently improved your academic performance, your last 3 years in high school, that looks great. We're also looking at trends to see, has a student consistently struggled in math, but is applying to an engineering program, or, that could be an area of concern for us. Or has a student done incredibly well in math and science and applying to, that engineering track? That looks great for you. So we certainly look at your academic trends and, how you've done all 4 years of high school or all 3 completed years in your senior year. How are you doing? And then lastly, but I think is really important when it comes to the application review process, is your story. Your story, you are the person that's applying to the institution as the student. So your story is super important. And making sure that comes through in your application is critical, to admission folks, especially when you're applying to schools that have high application volume. You want to make sure that your story really comes out and really shines with you.